everyone, I am Dr. Elsie Khalifa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have brought you 10 powerful points, 10 actionable tips that can genuinely help you regrow hair in the area behind your hairline. Let me be very clear from the beginning. The area in front of your hairline, where you already have bald or extremely thin hair, has almost zero chance of regrowth without a hair transplant. But the area behind your hairline, where you still have hair, even if it is thin, weak, or miniaturized, that area can absolutely be revived. These 10 tips will show you how. Tip number 1 is multivitamins. Your body needs specific vitamins for hair growth. Vitamin B12 is commonly deficient, especially in vegetarians. Vitamin D is another critical one. Folic acid also plays a major role. You may need 2 or 3 different supplements to cover all of these, but getting them into your system will significantly support your hair growth. Tip number 2 is sunlight exposure and aerobic exercise. Scientific studies prove that 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight before 9 a.m. has benefits far beyond just vitamin D production. Natural light entering your eyes helps regulate melatonin and cortisol levels, which are essential for your body's repair cycles. Along with sunlight, add 10 to 15 minutes of aerobic exercise, running, skipping rope, or yoga. Enough to make you sweat and raise your heart rate to approximately 135 to 140 beats per minute. This combination of morning sun and exercise creates a powerful hormonal environment for hair growth. Tip number 3 is an anti-dandruff shampoo. You might be thinking, I do not have dandruff. Why do I need this? Scientific studies show that in many cases of hair loss, the scalp's microbiome is disrupted. Microscopic fungi, invisible to the naked eye, cling to hair roots and contribute to follicular inflammation. Ketoconazole shampoo works exceptionally well to control this fungal growth. Even if you cannot see flaking, using ketoconazole can reduce DHT levels at the scalp level. Here is how to use it correctly. Apply the shampoo and leave it on your scalp for 6 to 8 minutes before rinsing. This allows the active ingredient to penetrate. Start by using it every other day for 2 weeks, then reduce to twice per week long term. There are no side effects even with extended use. Tip number 4 is Minoxidil. Minoxidil is an FDA-approved over-the-counter medication available in concentrations from 2% to 10%. My recommendation is to start with 2%. Use it for 1 week. If you do not see approximately 10 to 15% reduction in hair fall, you can increase to 5%. For women, plain minoxidil is recommended. For men, combinations with finasteride are available, but I do not recommend concentrations above 5% with finasteride without consulting a trichologist or dermatologist. Before using minoxidil, do a patch test. Put 2 drops behind your ear and wait 10 to 15 minutes. If you see no redness, irritation, or itching, you can safely use it. Tip number 5 is peptide serum. Peptides like Procapil, Anagen, and others are water-soluble and contain no alcohol. This makes them much less irritating to the skin. They are naturally derived and available over the counter. No prescription is needed. You can use them long-term with no side effects. Here is the key difference between minoxidil and peptides. Minoxidil works superficially. It dilates blood vessels and temporarily increases blood supply. Peptides work at the root level. They stimulate the stem cells and bulb cells where hair growth actually initiates. Hair growth from peptides tends to last much longer. With minoxidil, many people experience aggressive shedding when they stop. That does not happen with peptides. Tip number 6 is a DIY oil recipe you can prepare at home. Do not fall for commercial gimmicks with fancy names. Here is a scientifically proven, clinic-verified recipe. You will need half a liter of coconut oil and a thermometer. This thermometer is essential. Heat the coconut oil on a stove or induction until it reaches 40 degrees Celsius. Then turn off the heat. The temperature will naturally rise to 50 degrees. Your target is to maintain the oil at 50 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. Add 4 tablespoons of amla powder, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and 4 tablespoons of powdered green tea leaves. Keep the mixture at 50 to 55 degrees, but do not exceed 60 degrees, or the ingredients will burn and lose their effect. After heating, let the mixture settle overnight for 10 to 12 hours. Do not strain it. Transfer the entire mixture to a bottle and shake well before each use. Apply 1 to 2 milliliters to your scalp and spread with your fingers. Do not rub aggressively. Use fingertip massage or a comb. Within 3 to 4 weeks, you will see positive results. Tip number 7 is PRP treatment, platelet-rich plasma. In today's world, PRP has become very common. My recommendation is that at least 60 milliliters of blood should be used for optimal results. Before undergoing PRP, ensure you have not had any viral fever or significant illness in the previous 3 months. Get a complete blood count done first. Your platelet count should be above 500,000 before PRP is worthwhile. At our clinic, we use a modified protocol called YO-PRP. It is painless, a lunchtime procedure with no downtime, no swelling, and no need for rest. You can walk in, get the procedure done, and return to work immediately. Tip number 8 is GFC treatment, growth factor concentrate. If you have tried PRP and followed all other tips but still cannot control hair fall, GFC is the next level. The difference between PRP and GFC is this. In PRP, we inject platelets directly into the scalp. In GFC, we activate the platelets in solution before injection. The platelets break down and release their growth factors into the solution. When this activated solution is injected, it spreads evenly and delivers an instant, powerful impact. In my clinical experience, GFC is approximately 2 to 2.5 times more effective than PRP. Tip number 9 is a laser cap. Laser caps contain between 100 and 150 red laser modules that sit directly against your scalp. Be careful of duplicates in the market. Some sellers use red LED bulbs instead of real lasers. LED light scatters. Laser light travels in a straight line. To test, lift the device slightly off a surface. If you see a precise, sharp dot, it is a laser. If you see nothing, it is an LED. Use the laser cap for 45 minutes to 1 hour daily. You can wear it while exercising, cycling, watching television, or cooking. There are no side effects even if you exceed 1 hour. Tip number 10 is a Derma roller. This is an affordable, needle-based device with no recurring cost. Buy it once and use it for 5 to 6 months. The needle size should be 1.5 millimeters. Smaller sizes like 0.5 or 0.25 millimeters are useless. With a 1.5 millimeter Derma roller, you can achieve the full range of penetration depths from 0.5 to 1.5 millimeters, depending on how much pressure you apply. There are 2 ways to use it. For maximum intensity, use it once per week with enough pressure to create tiny bleeding points on the scalp. This produces excellent results. If you cannot tolerate that much pain, use it daily with gentle pressure. Press and lift, press and lift. Do not apply serum before rolling. Always roll first. Rolling increases blood supply and dilates blood vessels in the scalp. Then apply your serum for much better absorption. Never use Minoxidil with a Derma roller. Even people without Minoxidil allergies can develop permanent sensitivity. If you must use Minoxidil, keep a gap of at least 6 hours. Peptide serum can be applied 10 to 15 minutes after rolling. These are my 10 tips for hair regrowth. If you follow one, some, or all of these tips, your hair density in the area behind your hairline will improve dramatically. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please share it, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Stay blessed and stay tuned. I am Dr. Elsie Khalifa. See you in the next video.